Welcome to Boom City Breaks. Here with the Great Gatsby coming to you with a one boxer random divisions break NFL autograph full size helmets. 2019, number 264. We random the names and the divisions offered a trade period, guys. That's your final list. So good luck, everybody. And we've also randomed up the box numbers throughout the series. I think I forgot to mark this one, Jay. I'm sorry. Number 16. 1-6, J 16. Look, guys. Probably forgot to mark a few of them, actually. Now that I think of it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, I love honeycombs too, man. Honeycombs are so good. Alright, guys. We got us a nice speed replica for the NFC South to Mr. Alex Dede, Beckett COA. We got that Swiss Army Who Dat, Mr. Taysom Hill, the BYU Cougars. Taysom Hill for the Saints is going to go to Alex. Fucking Trippy, you can't buy a hit right now, man. Damn, Trippy. Woo! Alright, guys, that'll wrap it up for that break. Thanks for joining and watching. We appreciate it. See you next time for Boom City. Have a good one.